Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay, I know your name, so just sign it first. Okay, I think everybody's here, right? Um, yes, it's 12. Singgi and Fadil is here, so maybe someone just open the class first, like Alfat, can you please? Okay, thank you, Alfat. So, today is the day, right? To practice our lesson about chairing a meeting in English. If I'm not mistaken, the one who will present first is from team A, right? Will be led by or will be chaired by Maruf. And the second one is will be chaired by Maruf. No, no, no. Alfat, right? Roy Pick. Is that you? Okay. Salim Arya Singh. Alan, right? Randy. Randy, right? Okay, yes, Davin. Okay. Okay, before we start, I think let me just remind first about the rules, the score, I guess, like the assessment, what we are going to assess, and then also the peer assessment, right? Because if I'm not mistaken, Singgi and Fadil and Davin didn't come in our previous class. That is on Monday, right? Okay. Oh, this one. This is the information especially for Singgi and Fadil, right? As well as with Davin. That when your friends is presenting your presentation, you can do this one, right? Peer assessment. Singgi, do you still remember about what is peer assessment? Like in Bahasa, or what is that? Penilaian apa ya, sejawat? Yes, that's right. Penilaian teman sejawat ya. Peer is like our friend, right? So, wait. Team A will be the first, so Team B will give some assessment. this one, right? The first part, I think you have known about it, right? How to fill this peer assessment. First part, you must give the scale. Your assessment will be in scale from 1 to 5, right? 1, it means like poor. Okay, thank you. And 5 is an excellent, right? There are 5 questions for the first part. And the second one, the third part is your feedback, the qualitative feedback, right? So Fadil will assess their performance, right? Their strength and their areas to improve. And the last one is overall impressions. Uh, there is bahasa, maybe you will read that by yourself. And the last one, you must give the final score from 1 to 10. Do you understand? The first one is the scale. Yes, you must observe or you must assess the first one is chairperson, right? Do you know team A's chairperson is who? Yes, do you know the chairpersons of team A? You don't know the person. The name of the chairpersons. No. Ini nggak, oke, ditentuin ya. The chairperson is Maruf Fadil. And your team, the chairperson is? Yes, finally. Okay. So Fadil, you must see apakah chairperson open and close the meeting clearly, right? So you must give the scale. 1 is for poor, or sangat kurang, and 5 is for sangat baik. Sama seperti yang lain ya, like this one. Okay. Do you have any questions for the peer assessment? No, right? Davin and Singi, are you clear with this peer assessment? I will share the link to the group, by the way. And the next one is supposed to be like the rules, I guess. I think only 5. Maybe the 7 should submit first, right? Oh yes, please. Okay. Okay. So Singi will be team A, right? Oh, okay. Mm, let me just repeat a little bit about this one for Singi and Davin. So please be concerned with these things. The first one is the pronunciations. Have you learned how to pronounce the word of yours? Okay, you have to check something like the pronunciations and your fluency or kelancaran, right? And the grammar and the vocabulary, right? And then your confidence and the interactions. All right, so that's for the rubrics, the assessment, and then what else? Yes, Alfat.
I want to ask,
Mm-hmm.
can we just read the script?
Okay.
Because we didn't have any enough time to practice.
Oh, okay. 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 Script, it's mean like the script, not like the cue card, right? The script, the real script, right? This is your script, right? Is it yours? No, this one is Arya, I guess. So you're going to use your laptop to read your script? No?
No, in my phone.
Your phone, okay. All right then. But just please speak on not, like you speak on notes. Okay, yes, you may do that actually, but I believe that you will memorize some words, right? The phrases. Nggak selalu banget melihat ya berarti ya nanti ya. You don't have any time to. Actually, it's not supposed to be like memorize ya. Kayaknya nggak perlu dihafal deh, kayaknya dipahamin aja ya. Mau kata-katanya di luar dari skrip tapi maknanya sama, you can go with that. Alright, it's that answering your questions, right? You think so? So you ready, team B? Team B, right? Team A will be the first. Oh, I see. The first performance will be performed by Team A, right? Oh, okay. Are you ready now? Wait. Atau mau pemanasan? Mau pemanasan dulu? Udah panas. Fadil mau pemanasan katanya. Kalau tim A mau pemanasan dulu. Hah? Oh, wow. Okay, so you agree that we are going to have a warming up first? Don't you know about the warming up activities? It's not like a game actually. Okay, the warming up is no. Uh, Sebenarnya untuk yang warming up ini ingin mengambil nilai listening. You know listening, right? Mendengarkan, karena kayaknya dari awal belum terlalu banyak nih nilai listeningnya untuk membaca. It's supposed to be like speaking, right? Practice in speaking, by the way. Ya udah, berarti mau pemanasan dulu dalam bentuk listening. Okay, the listening will be in this one actually. Wait, it will be in. Okay. Have you ever heard about this? Oh, you have taken this one from your SMK. Oh, okay, nice. Karena kan ada banyak ya, ada TOEFL, and then what else? The last. Okay, this one. Nah, kalau yang untuk dua ini biasanya untuk yang di ranah akademis ya. Tapi kalau TOEIC memang untuk penunjang apa ya? Biasa kalau kita mau lanjut kuliah itu pakai TOEFL atau IELTS. Nah, kalau TOEIC itu untuk pekerjaan. If we want to work abroad, then we must use this TOEIC. Like we must have the TOEIC certification, right? Nah, nanti untuk pemanasannya kita pakai TOEIC sebagian listening ya. Selain Maruf siapa yang pernah TOEIC? Arya. Oh wow. From your SMK, I guess, right? Oh, nice. And Davin also. So 3%. It's been like 3 years ago. No?
Yes. I think 3 or 4 years.
Oh, 3 or 4 years. Arya also, right? You graduated from your SMK like 4 years ago. Okay, nice. What about you, Davin? 1 years ago. Nice. Oke, kita coba ya. Ada 10 soal aja kok ini listeningnya. This one. Berarti kita pemanasan dulu ya, biar panas ya. So this listening comprehensions will help you to improve your comprehension skills in professional context. Similarly to the TOEIC listening test, right? The focus is on understanding workplace conversations, announcement and discussion that will support your communication needs in your future career. Ini kayaknya kita jarang dengerin ini ya, listening terus kayak dipilih gitu. Do you still remember the questions? Yes, Davin? Oh, oke. Tapi ini bisa dimaksimalin nanti ya audionya. Oke. Nanti di G-Form listeningnya ada nama sama tim A sama B di sini artinya bukan tim yang sekarang ya, tapi grup A sama grup B yang ini loh, yang kelas sebelahnya. You know what I mean? So you must fill out the team BO, right? Not A. Yes, you are team B. Oke, ada 10 soal pemanasannya. Teman-teman hanya perlu memperhatikan gambar. Nah, ini nih. What is the picture about? Kalau boleh nebak, kira-kira nih ada orang yang lagi ngapain?
Standing.
Oke, standing ya. Standing atau sitting? Ini, tapi berdiri ya?
Ini sedang melihat. Itu gergaji apa?
I'm gonna share it to your group by the way. Kayaknya.
Masa ya udah rapiin rusak?
Oh, itu udah gergaji. Okay, maybe you can see from your G-Form actually. Jadi di TOEIC itu pertama kita disajikan sebuah gambar, nanti kita harus bisa menentukan dari A sampai D kalimat mana yang sesuai atau yang menggambarkan gambar ini. Kayak orangnya kan lagi ngapain nih? Orangnya nggak lagi gergaji ini kan? Soalnya kalau kata Fadil ini mah sudah rapi digergaji ya.
Iya. Anomali.
Oke, anomali. So, do you know what is the old man is doing? Oke, yang jelas sedang Ngambil apa gitu ya. Nanti ada A, B, C, dan D. Kalimat yang ada di A sampai D itu tidak dituliskan, tapi diperdengarkan 2 kali. Nanti pilih kira-kira dari 4 kalimat yang ada di A, B, C, dan D itu yang mana yang paling merepresentasikan gambar itu. Jadi kalau untuk ngambil tes IELTS nanti mungkin sebelum play di audio, just make sure that you understand what is the picture about. And what about the second picture? Huh? The street, and then? Okay, it's a street and parking car. Sorry? Oke, pokoknya ada car and parking and street. Nanti juga didengarkan. And then this one, the third picture. Okay, cashier, and then yes, transaction. Very good. Oke, sudah cukup. Nah, jadi dari 10 soal ada 3 bagian. Bagian pertama adalah pictures, right? So it's gambar. And the second part will be about question and response. Do you know what is question and response? Like pertanyaan and response? Iya, jawaban bener ya? Oke. Umpan balik. This is the real listening because di soal hanya kayak gini, mark your answer on your answer sheet. Jadi nanti disajikan sebuah dialog seperti ini contohnya, you will hear, shouldn't we check in the receptionist? Terus you will also hear, I didn't bring my checkbook. Nah, ini kebetulan kalau untuk part 2 hanya sampai C ya. Jadi jangan sampai jawab D. Yang jawab D berarti nggak fokus ya. Jadi kalau dicontoh kan ini sampai C doang ya optionnya. Jangan sampai ada yang menjawab D dari nomor 4 sampai nomor 8. Oke. Sama kalau misalnya di listeningnya itu baru nomor 4, tiba-tiba udah ada yang selesai nomor 8. Nah itu bahaya ya. Oke, it's okay. Kita pemanasan aja ya. Ini gambaran soal ketika ingin mau mengambil TOEIC. So if you jadi TOEIC, TOEFL, and then IELTS itu setahu teman-teman apa tuh? 3 ini adalah Iya tes. Terus selain tes apa? Sertifikasi, and then semacam alat ukur ya. Alat ukur kemampuan bahasa Inggris yang digunakan dunia untuk mengukur kemampuan bahasa Inggris kita. Ya walaupun sebenarnya nggak terlalu merepresentasikan ya, karena teman saya ada yang dia itu bukan dari jurusan bahasa Inggris tapi malah TOEFL-nya lebih tinggi. Karena ternyata kebiasaan membaca juga berpengaruh. TOEFL itu ada yang pernah ngambil TOEFL. Kalau TOEFL memang untuk akademisi, jadi kayak lebih ke study. Kalau TOEIC ini untuk lebih ke bekerja. Jadi kalau untuk keluar negeri itu untuk kerja, maka biasanya pakai TOEIC. Tapi kalau untuk studying, itu kalau nggak IELTS, TOEFL. Kalau TOEFL biasanya dari negara apa? Like from the US, right? Kalau IELTS, bagi yang mau nyambung di Europeans. Sorry? Kalau mau kerja di Asian countries biasanya pakai TOEIC ya. Jepang nggak bisa. Kalau Jepang tuh biasanya harus pakai Jepangnya ya, N1, N2 ya. Tapi kalau kepepet bisa pakai TOEIC. If you want to work abroad. Kayaknya Jepang lagi buka banyak nih. Ada yang mau ke sana? They need.
Secara wajib udah mau ke Jepang.
Singapura. Karena pertama tahun ini ada seorang siswa yang dia itu dari jurusan animasi, tapi ketika apply beasiswa di Jepang dia pakai IT. Animasi ke IT kan lumayan jauh ya. Tapi ternyata dia keterima. Karena tapi kayak mereka tuh lagi butuh lumayan banyak ini ya, orang ya di Jepang itu ya. Oke.
Lagi buka imigran.
Imigran berarti kayak orang kerja gitu ya. Pekerja maksudnya?
Kerja dari India.
Dari India? Bukan dari dunia manapun?
Kerja sama India.
Oh, negaranya? Oh, I see. Indonesia juga lumayan bikin kerusuhan kemarin sempat ya di Jepang ya. Oke. PSHT bener. Oke. So do you have any question for part 2, question and response? Jadi nanti akan diperdengarkan pertanyaan, teman-teman menentukan respon yang sesuai. Kalau yang pertama menentukan pernyataan yang sesuai dengan gambar, yang kedua menentukan respon yang sesuai. Kayak misalnya, what do you think about my car? Terus responnya apa? Yang A, thank you. B, you are beautiful. C, that's great. Kira-kira yang mana? That's great. Nah, itu dia. That's Yang terakhir part 3, 9 sampai 10 itu yang kalau yang tadi dialog, oh ini sama dialog juga ya. Cuman kalau ini utuh. Jadi soal sama option ditampilkan, tapi nanti teman-teman harus menyimpulkan dialog. Kalau yang sebelumnya kan menyambung dialog ya, kayak menentukan respon dari dialog. Kalau ini menyimpulkan dialog. Do you have any question before we start? Nanti kalau setelah selesai akan ada nilainya langsung muncul to your group. Yes? Suaranya bakal jelas. Kita cek sound dulu ya. Tes di mana?
Di SMK.
Oh, setiap tes.
Setiap UTS buat kayak gitu.
Oh, keren. UTS bahasa Inggris.
Iya.
Tapi ininya manual, nulisnya kalau yang reading.
Tulisnya manual.
Kalau listeningnya ini.
Listeningnya ada yang pakai. Bentukannya cuma ada pakai speaker.
Oh, pakai speaker. Bukan pakai headset ya?
Kalau yang pakai headset itu bahas UN.
UN. Loh, masih ada UN? Angkatan ini kan 2009 berapa? 2019 ke atas tuh udah nggak ada lagi UN kan?
20 belum ada, udah nggak ada.
Udah nggak ada, benar.
Oh iya.
Covid baru mas.
In this
Yes.
section of the test, you will have the chance to show how well you understand spoken English. There are 4 parts to this section with special directions for each part. Part 1, pictures, questions 1 to 3. Directions. For each item, there is a picture in your test book and 4 short statements about it on the tape. They are spoken twice and are not written out in your test book, so you must listen carefully. You must choose one statement, A, B, C, or D,
Okay.
that best describes the picture. Then, on your answer sheet, mark your choice.
Okay.
Example.
This is
Look at the
example.
following picture. Now, listen to the following statements. A, the baby strollers are on sale. B, the basket needs to be refilled. C, the shopping carts are stuck together. D, the trolleys are being rented. Choice. A, the baby strollers are on sale. Best describes what is seen in the picture. Therefore, you should mark A on your answer sheet.
Number 1, look at the picture and mark your answer.
Okay. Are you ready for number 1? Okay, wait. How about the sounds? Can you hear it? Zaki, can you hear it like clearly? The sound. What about Randy? Randy, right? I must be careful with my. Okay. Randy. Can you hear the sounds? Okay, nice. Are you ready? It's only twice, right? Hanya 2 kali. Setelah itu nggak boleh lagi ya. Ready? Okay. Let's hear it. Boleh nyontek kalau nggak ketahuan ya. Okay.
A, he's touring on a motorcycle. B, he's walking into a motorbike shop. C, he's repairing a tool storage cabinet. D, he's getting a tool from the shelf. Number 1, look at the picture and mark your answer. A, he's touring on a motorcycle. B, he's walking into a motorbike shop. C, he's repairing a tool storage cabinet. D, he's getting a tool from the shelf.
Okay. 1 minute to answer. It's easy, right? Yes, nice. It's okay. 1 minute to fill it out. Udah selesai semua ya. Lah, Singgi udah biasa kan pada you are. Have you ever found this kind of questions before in listening? Oh, okay. Okay. It's okay. Never mind. Just be honest with yourself. Mungkin nanti bisa kita ambil drillnya ya, tweaknya. Can we go to the second one? Okay.
Two,
Should we stop? Yes. Okay. All right. Yes. Yes, please. What is that ngawang, by the way? Like a predicate? Oh, ngasal. Ngawang is ngasal. Okay. I think it will be supporting of your career, right? So, do you want to see the tweak certification? Coba kita lihat ya, apa aja yang ada di dalam tesnya. This one, right? Where is it? Oke. Kok ini? Kok malah ini ya? Coba cari yang ini. Can you see this? Nggak kelihatan ya. Hah? Badan Standar Nasional. BN, Badan Nasional Standar. Oh iya. Okay. How is it? Ini kan? Oh, it consists of like listening and reading only, right? Jadi listening itu kayak ada beberapa bagian ya. Bagian pertama gambar. Apa? Tes yang mana? Oh, soalnya iya. Loh, kalau IELTS seharian? Karena kalau dia cuma 2 ya, listening and reading. Tapi kalau IELTS dari 4 elemen. Speaking ya, langsung oleh orang native. Kalau 1 kali tes makanya mahal tuh. Like 3 millions, right? Sekali tes. Terus dia ada expired-nya 2 tahun. Kalau ada expired ternyata ya. Kalau udah lewat 2 tahun, tes lagi. Dianggap kemampuannya menurun katanya. Okay. Now we are coming to. Is it finished, right, for the azan? Okay.
the picture below and mark your answer. A, they are exiting the automobile. B, the cars are parked along the road. C, a car is being driven down the road. D, they are leaning against the tree. 2, look at the picture below and mark your answer. A, they are exiting the automobile. B, the cars are parked along the road. C, a car is being driven down the road. D, they are leaning against the tree.
Dua kali doang ya. Oke, Fadil, come on.
D-nya nggak jelas.
Oh, oke, D-nya nggak jelas.
Lebih sayanya yang bodoh.
Fokus sih, harus fokus aja ya.
Biasa ngomong apa ya? Ngomong.
Oke.
Number 3, look at the picture and mark your answer. A, she's arranging fruits and vegetables on the desk. B, a customer is paying for vegetables at the cashier. C, she is preparing food in the kitchen. D, the man is giving some flowers to the woman.
D.
Number 3, look at the picture and mark your answer. A, she's arranging fruits and vegetables on the desk. B, A customer is paying for vegetables at the cashier. C, she is preparing food in the kitchen. D, the man is giving some flowers to the woman.
Oke.
Yang paling jelas jawabannya
Ya? Apa nih? Ada nih Inggris atau Indonesia? Inggris. Oh, I.
Nanti bahasa Inggris ya.
Oke. Next.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Question. Responses. Questions 4 to 8. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear several questions spoken in English, followed by 3 responses, also spoken in English. The questions and responses will be spoken twice. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. You have to choose the best response to each question. Now, listen to a sample question. You will hear, shouldn't we check in with the receptionist? You will also hear, A, I didn't bring my checkbook. B, yes, we should check it out. C, yes, I suppose so. Choice. C, yes, I suppose so, is the best response to the question. Therefore, you should mark C on your answer sheet.
Number 4.
Was there a delay in the shipment this morning?
A, the earlier the shipment, the better. B, yes, it was postponed by 2 hours. C, I checked and the conference is done.
Nggak bisa yang ceweknya aja.
Number 4.
Was there a delay?
Oke. Bisa yang ceweknya yang agak clear ya. Oke. Sudah beradaptasi, Fadil?
Ya.
Oke, belum. One more for number 4. Hah? Tapi ini yang second dulu ya? Second dulu ya.
Delay in the shipment this morning?
A, the earlier the shipment, the better. B, yes, it was postponed by 2 hours. C, I checked and the conference is done.
Nyambungin.
Sebenarnya pertanyaannya nggak kayak nyambungin gitu ya. You know what I mean? Like nyambungin bener, kayak what do you think of my new car? Oh itu pernyataan ya. Tapi yang tadi pernyataan atau pertanyaan? Was there a delay on the ship? Apa tadi katanya? Coba sekali lagi ya. Oke, wait.
Part 2. Question book. So you must listen carefully to
Coba
listen to a sample question.
sample.
You will hear,
Langsung ke question ya.
C, yes, I suppose so, is the best response to the question. Therefore, you should mark C on your answer sheet.
Oke.
Number 4.
Was there a delay in the shipment this morning?
A,
Was there a delay in the shipment this morning? Sudah tertangkap? Itu question ya berarti ya? Udah Salim?
Satu lagi, ulang.
Pertanyaan ya. Ini masuk ke optionnya ya?
A, the earlier the shipment, the better. B, yes, it was postponed by 2 hours. C, I checked and the conference is done.
One more, right? Tapi nggak mesti semua kata harus paham. Yang penting intinya ya, ada delay and then apa tadi? Shipment, right? Udah. Terus yang paling appropriate, yang paling sesuai apa? One more.
Number 4.
Was there a delay in the shipment this morning?
Oke.
A, the earlier the shipment, the better.
Okay.
B, yes, it was postponed by 2 hours. C, I checked and the conference is done.
Okay, so that's for number 4. Next, number 5.
Number 5.
Can you prepare the ingredients before tomorrow?
A, yes, everything will be ready by tonight. B, the ingredients are bought at a farmer's market. C, the party will start at 9 p.m.
Cara bahasanya kayak
Number 5.
Can you prepare the ingredients before tomorrow?
A, yes, everything will be ready by tonight. B, the ingredients are bought at a farmer's market. C, the party will start at 9 p.m.
Does anybody what we call that, say the questions? Ada yang bisa nangkep pertanyaannya?
Ininya kalau artinya mungkin aku dengar.
Oh, what was that?
Bisa menyiapkan apalah gitu,
Yes.
24 malam gitu.
Kalau yang Inggrisnya, siapa yang bisa?
Can you prepare the ingredient before tomorrow?
Yes, can you prepare the ingredients before tomorrow? Okay. Can we go to the next number?
Yes.
All right.
Teman-teman ya?
Number 6. Okay.
Number 6.
Should I invite everyone to the inspection or only a few key people?
A, one from each division should be sufficient. B, we have plenty at the moment. C, no, you should be responsible for it.
Okay.
Itu ngapain?
Maybe I can give you some strategies, right? When you take the real test, don't panic if you don't understand in the first listening, right? Just be focused on the options, and then we must be focused on the question at the second one. Do you understand? So just don't be panic, right? Like, okay. Okay. This is the second one.
Number 6.
Should I invite everyone to the inspection or only a few key people?
A, one from each division should be sufficient. B, we have plenty at the moment. C, no, you should be responsible for it.
It's not day. Does anybody know what is the question about?
Apakah saya harus mengundang semuanya untuk inspeksi apa? Atau hanya orang-orang tertentu?
Okay. Do you want to hear it again? Do you want to hear it again? Okay.
Number 6.
Should I invite everyone to the inspection or only a few key people?
Okay, intinya seperti itu ya. Okay. Okay.
A, one from each division should be sufficient. B, we have plenty at the moment. C, no, you should be responsible for it.
Okay. That's enough for number 6. Please fill out the answers. And now we are coming to number 7.
Number 7.
Is the meeting room on the left side?
A.
No, it's on the right side, past the elevators.
B.
You can check the second floor for more rooms.
C, the storage room is on the left side.
Number 7.
Is the meeting room on the left side?
A.
No, it's on the right side, past the elevators.
B.
You can check the second floor for more rooms.
C, the storage room is on the left side.
Okay. Arya, do you get the question about? In Bahasa, it's okay. Well, what is the question all about? In Bahasa, it's okay? Or in English, it's better? Yang cowok berarti nanya apa tuh? Terkait apa?
Sebelah kiri gitu kan.
Oh, berarti dia nanya sebuah ruangan.
Sebuah ruangan sebelah kiri.
Oke. Ruangan untuk momen apa tuh? Tahu nggak? Yaitu meeting, right? Kayak meetingnya di sebelah mana sih gitu ya? Oke. Oke, nice. Berarti tahu ya. Next, we come to the last question for part 2 ya, question and response. Oke, number 8. Is it number 8?
Number 8.
Okay.
When will the maintenance on the elevators be completed?
A.
They are being fixed now.
B.
By the end of the week,
C,
the elevators are on the left.
Number 8.
when will the maintenance on the elevators be completed?
A.
They are being fixed now.
B.
By the end of the week,
C,
the elevators are on the left.
Let me give you one more. Can I? Okay.
Number 8.
when will the maintenance on the elevators be completed?
A.
They are being fixed now.
B.
By the end of the week,
C,
the elevators are on the left.
Nah, Ada yang tahu awalnya menanyakan apa? When. So the answer is always like time, right? Nah, dari A sampai C kan ada tadi waktu ya. Yang duanya enggak. Udah jelas tuh berarti jawabannya adalah yang itu. Oh, jelas D. Oke, silakan. Next. Oke, we are coming to the last part. Sorry, this
Part
one.
2. Question. Responses.
Oh, sorry.
Questions 4 to 8.
Okay, part 3, right? Is it? How can we see for part 3? So it's short conversations. Or in bahasa it's something like percakapan singkat ya. Okay, number 9.
Part 3. Short conversations. Questions 9 to 12. Directions. In this section of the test, you will hear several short conversations. You will hear the conversations twice. The conversations will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. In your test book, you will read a question about each conversation. The question will be followed by 4 answers. You have to choose the best answer to each question and mark it on your answer sheet. Number 9 and 10 refer to the following conversation.
Okay. Yes. Okay then. Okay. So the strategy when you face this kind of questions, biasa kan kita punya hak untuk memplay audio dari kita ya. Kalau di tes-tes itu kan pakai headset ya, bukan pakai apa namanya? Toa. Apa namanya? Speaker. So, sorry? Do you know Toa, right? Okay. Dulu sih Toa. When I was in UN, like, oh sama ya. Oke. Oke. Jadi kan karakter soalnya beda ya teman-teman. Nah, kalau yang ini, never play the button of the audio before you understand the questions. So you must understand first. Do you understand about the questions? Salim, can you help us in translating the question number 9? What is that in bahasa? Where are the speakers mostly like having this conversation? In bahasa is intinya aja nggak usah ini ya, benar-benar amat. Yang penting paham. Benar, percakapan. Oke, di mana orang-orang ya? Most likely. Apa namanya most likely? Most likely seperti di manakah orang-orang tersebut kemungkinan besar melakukan percakapan. Oke, good. Langsung kan tadi instruksinya satu conversation untuk 2 soal ya. Oke, the second one. Anybody wanna try to help us to understand first about question number 10? Oh, Alfat, do you wanna? Siapa? Oke, silakan Alfat. What does the man ask the women about? Oke, ya tanyakan kalau dia ask. Kalau ask for, artinya sama tanyakan. Kalau ask for, meminta. Very good. Ask for. Oke, nice. Can we go? Yes. Yes, please. All right. Be careful.
Nice.
Okay. Okay, the conversation is only twice, remember? Yes, twice. 2 kali saja diulang ya. Clothing store, grocery store. What does the man ask the women about? It's nice. Is that a coffee? Oh, kalau the water is like that. I mean, like the drinking water is like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, now in count of three we can start, right? In 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Seabreeze Restaurant. How can I help you today?
Hi, we'd like a table for two, please.
Sure. Would you like to sit by the window or in the main dining area?
By the window, please. It's such a nice day outside.
Absolutely. Here are your menus. I'll be back in a few minutes to take your order. Can I get you something to drink while you decide?
Yes, I'll have an iced tea, and my friend will have water with lemon, please.
Got it. I'll bring those out right away. Also, today's specials are the grilled salmon and the steak with garlic butter.
Oh, that sounds good. I think I'll try the salmon.
I'm leaning toward the steak. We'll let you know once we decide.
Take your time. I'll be back shortly with your drinks. Good afternoon. Welcome to Seabreeze Restaurant. How can I help you today?
Hi, we'd like a table for two, please.
Sure. Would you like to sit by the window or in the main dining area?
By the window, please. It's such a nice day outside.
Absolutely. Here are your menus. I'll be back in a few minutes to take your order. Can I get you something to drink while you decide?
Yes, I'll have an iced tea, and my friend will have water with lemon, please.
Got it. I'll bring those out right away. Also, today's specials are the grilled salmon and the steak with garlic butter.
Oh, that sounds good. I think I'll try the salmon.
I'm leaning toward the steak. We'll let you know once we decide.
Take your time. I'll be back shortly with your drinks.
How do you feel, Fadil?
Good.
Nice, right? Okay, good. So you don't feel dizzy? Like dizzy? No. No. Oh, you a little bit dizzy. Kalau yang banyak nggak ada nih jadinya dizzy-nya. Okay, just make sure before you submit the test because there will be score after all. Is there any score?
Yes.
Do you want to see the score? Kenapa tuh? Just check and recheck again. 3, 2, 1, and oh. It's okay. It's okay. Never mind. Singgi, what about you? Have you submitted? Oh, not yet. Just check and recheck again before you submit. There will be, but it's okay if you don't. Nice, right? Oh, nice. That was great. Okay. It's okay. Nice try. This is the first time for you, right, Salim? Oh, okay. The very first time. It's very okay if you got like unsatisfying score, especially for the very first time, right? Yes. Hah? Ini
lagi beresin. Iya. Ini yang dia apa ya?
Yang dia apa yang di?
Taking from the shelf.
Oke.
Oh,
Yes. Jawabannya tadi.
Kelihatannya lagi beresin soalnya rapi banget.
Kalau lagi beresin, maksudnya kalau udah rapi ngapain diberesin ya? So it's supposed to be like taking, right? Yes, that's it. Sorry? Okay, it's very okay if you don't really get the satisfying score because our first time ini fokusnya lebih ke pemahaman bentuk soal. Nanti seiring dengan sering dilatih, bahkan nilainya bisa lebih dari 100 ya. Nggak mungkin ya. Oke. Okay, it's a 12 persons. Do you wanna see the score? Oh, tapi secara rata-rata sih masih oke ya. 70,8. Oke, masih lulus ya. Enggak. KKM-nya berapa ya kita ya? KKM tahun 2000 berapa tuh Mas? 2001. Hah? Kok bisa? Oh diedit ya? Astagfirullahaladzim. Dikira salah setting skor ya? Tapi enggak kan? Does anybody want to know Fadil score? Berapa nih Fadil? Oke. Seriously? Oke, you cannot edit from here actually. Oh, di sini ada jawaban benar salahnya ya? Oke. Ya udah. Mungkin sering-sering latihan aja ya. Nanti biar fasih. Oke, can we go to the next? Udah panas kan? Atau udah nggak anu? Udah pusing malahan. Oke. So, Maruf will be here, right? Do you have any slide? What about Team B? Did you make the slide to what we call that? No?
We didn't have enough time to create.
Oh, I see.
Just
All
one
right.
day to create and we
Is it one day?
time to discuss.
Okay. Okay. But just try to your best that you are not really like reading Quran, right? Like speak or not again. You want to break free? Okay. Berarti settingnya Maruf di sini ya. And then, oh berarti nanti tetap aja di sini gitu ya anggotanya ya. Oh, oke. I think we do not need to stand up, just sit down, right? Okay. Okay, this one. Okay. I have shared the peer assessment link for Team B to assess, right? Yes, that's it. Yes, that one. Okay. We must take the idea from Alfat, right? When Team A is presenting their practice, then you can't respond them, right? You know what I mean? Because your idea is you will give some response, right? About their meeting. Oh, you will be the client now. Are you pretending become the client?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Is it? Is it okay? Okay, it's depend on the chairperson, I guess. All right, so now, okay.
Excuse.
Let me just sit there.
Di mana sini?
Oh,
Tar. Aku ngirim konteksnya. Oh, bentar. Aku kirim dulu sebentar. Ini mana sih ininya? Alfat. Konteksnya itu udah aku kirim. Intinya yang part itu. Hah? Itu nanya bisa nambah fitur lainnya atau enggak? Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Could I have your attention, please? Thanks, everyone, and welcome to today's meeting. Let's dive into it. My name is Maruf Salfuddin, and I'm in charge of software development. And I'm today here with my team, Singgi as our lead developer, Salim our project manager, Roypik as our lead quality assurance, Arya as our budget and resource manager, and Zaki as our senior software engineer. In today's meeting, we're gonna talking about reworking and improving our e-commerce. In today's meeting, we'll go over on what feature we'll be implementing in this sprint, details of the sprint timeline, then budget and resource allocation. Let's start with the first item on the agenda, what the feature we will be working on this sprint. Singgi, can you walk us through them?
Okay, so we're going to be working on some feature. We are going to make checkout and payment gateway integration. Then we are going to rework the homepage. And the last but not least, we are going to improve the mobile responsive.
Okay, thank you, Singgi. Does anyone have any ideas to be added?
Okay, I have some ideas.
Yes.
Could it be possible to revise the product as well, like we adding some feature or maybe updating the product?
That's a great insight. Roypik, what's your opinion on these ideas?
I think we can do it on this sprint, but maybe we can do it on the next sprint.
All right, thank you, Roypik. Is that answer your question?
Yes, of course. Thank you very much, Mr. Ravi, for the explanation.
Then if nothing added, then we'll move to the next item on the agenda, the detail of the sprint timeline. Salim, could you provide us with the data?
Okay, Mr. Mark, the project data is structured into 3 sprint. The first sprint will focus on the checkout and payment gateway. The second sprint involves and the final sprint will address mobile response sprints.
All right, thank you, Salim. Roypik, what's your opinion on this?
I think this time is possible, but we may need to work overtime for a few days, which means we'll require additional budget for overtime. Additionally, what about resource allocation?
Okay, for the resource and budget allocation, we're gonna go through Arya. Arya, could you provide us with the data?
Okay, our budget includes provision for food and overtime pay. Overtime compensation is 70,000 rupiah for a regular day and 90,000 rupiah for a weekend. Additionally, we will provide an extra 40,000 rupiah for food for each person who works overtime. Regarding resource allocation, we can plan to assign 1 front-end and 2 back-end developers to the first sprint. The second sprint will be allocated 3 front-end developers, and the final sprint will have 2 front-end developers.
Okay, thank you, Arya. For the resource allocation, does anyone have any thoughts on this? Okay, Mr. Zaki, what your thought on this?
For the sprint one, is talking about the payment and what's the other?
Payment and
Checkout gateway.
Mhm.
I think for the sprint one, we need to increase the number of team because the sprint is complex and complicated. Yeah, that's all.
That's a good insight. Let's add more developer to the first sprint. Anything else? Anyone? If nothing to be added, we're going to wrap it up.
Okay.
So we've been discussing about what feature we will be implementing in this sprint, details of the sprint timeline, and then the budget and the resource allocation for today's sprint. Thank you for all for attending. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you. Okay, nice. I see the big improvement. Quite a big improvement from Roypik, by the way. Did you memorize it, Roypik?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's nice actually. This is your big improvement for this one, right? Like you are not reading Quran. Yes, what's wrong? Do you want to say something? Mana ya? What?
Which means will require additional budget for overtime.
Yes.
Uh,
What? I just want to say that you have a good improvement, by the way. I mean, like you are trying to your best, right? To memorize your own script, as well as the Salim, by the way. But I hope that you can make it bigger, the volumes of your voice, right? I can hear you, but maybe it's better for us because I'm afraid that all the audience will not hear you like clearly, right? But you are trying to memorize the script, right? Do you understand, Salim, what I mean? You are trying to memorize your script, right? Even though sometimes you see your script, and I think you must like your volume of your voice must be like just make it like louder again, because kayak volumenya tuh udah apa ya namanya? Suaranya udah ada, cuman volumenya aja agak digedein ya, karena takutnya ada yang nggak denger nih kalau audiens yang jauh-jauh ya. It's good. And then Arya udah lumayan lama lagi. Banyak skripnya ya. Oke, kayaknya banyak kan Arya ya. Is it yours?
yes, it's me.
Tapi kok kayak banyak ya? Itu dikit ya? Apa lagi ya? Oke. You can use more your body language, by the way. Because Arya as a presenter, partisipan berapa ya? Apakah yang ini idea develop?
No, Arya is the budget and resource. So
Berarti tugasnya emang apa sih namanya?
Giving the idea about the budget and the resource allocation.
Nah, kalau giving idea harusnya lebih ini ya, lebih ekspresif, bener, kayak lebih membara nggak sih? Kayak your body language must be used because you must convince about the audience about what you are going to, what we call that, to do, right? So Arya is like the planner. No. Budget planner.
Budget planner.
Oh, planner.
Yes.
Oh, I see.
The idea is Singgi.
Oh, Singgi, I guess. Yes, Singgi. Singgi is the idea. I think the idea, I mean, the one who gives the ideas must be like more expressive, right? Because that's the points, right? And then when Zaki is like confusing, itu confusingnya kayak lupa ya. Apa sih? Tapi sempat agak sedikit lupa. Itu emang dalam skrip kayak gitu ya?
Sengaja lupa.
Oh, sengaja. Payment and apa ya? Sebenarnya? Nah itu, I hope that you can help. I mean the chairperson when the audience or the members are quiet. Oh jadi supaya di ini ya? Iya sih sebenarnya. Jadi supaya ini atau gimana nih? Sebenarnya sebelum tadi direspon lagi pengen, ayo chairperson, just help your member to remind what he is going to say, by the way. Oh, maybe for the next one, right? Okay, nice try. Jadi lupa atau emang pengen? Oh beneran lupa. Naturally happen ya. Alfat, you're what we call that in their script. If I see their script, emang dimasukin ya?
We just make an agreement to send the context so we can exchange a question or idea or something inside.
Okay, before the practice, right?
Yes.
Because I see your script itu ada respon dari kelompok B ya. Okay. I thought it was like naturally happen, like ternyata.
It's more like a checkpoint.
Oh, more like checkpoints.
Yes.
Okay.
So I just give where the group B to be give the insight or so we see so we more like so we more easily answer it. So we give the checkpoint where
Yes. Actually, you have that aura, by the way. But again, you must control yourself. Like But you're not nervous, right?
Yeah, kind of nervous.
Oh, kind of nervous. I think it's your friends, right? I mean, like, you know the aura, by the way. You have that potency. Ma'ruf, right? Emang itu jam terbang sih. Emang harus benar sering-sering dilatih ya. Oke. Good Roypik and good Salim. Just improve it. Yes, Arya. Just give your expression more expressive. I mean, like, actually, but you are just the budget planner, right? Okay. And Singgi is trying to give his best, by the way. I think it's better for you, maybe. Enggak, iya sih. Kayaknya sebagai ideas itu lebih lumayan krusial ya dalam meeting ya. So you can maybe later on sit there someday, right? Kayaknya kamu terlalu jauh dari anggota ya, jadi kayak agak-agak terpisah. Can I see your script, by the way? Okay. How paragraph? Oh, banyak ini ya. Okay. Yeah, actually, did you memorize all? No.
This is my script.
Yeah. At the beginning of your so you're going to be working on some features. Pertama-tama sudah lumayan ini ya, sudah lumayan apa namanya? Tidak terlalu membaca. Oke. Emang kayaknya yang terbanyak nomor 1 selain chairperson adalah Singgi, right? Is it Singgi or Arya? Dari skrip, dari jumlah kata. Oke. Arya is just like a short paragraph. Okay. Maruf, what is AS? How do you pronounce as? Sebagai tapi ya. It's supposed to be S. Oh, S. Tadi kayaknya as deh. Kayak memperkenalkan itu pakai as ya? Pakai S kan tadi? Oh, S. It's supposed to be S, right? S. As a, nah itu. Roypik as a what gitu ya. Okay, nice try. I like the one you interact each other, right? It's really like in mana ya tadi ya? Like in a meeting of United Nation ya. Karena nggak ada yang kayak lancar gitu ya. Seandainya there is no right? Is there any I don't even find almost. Hah? Oh itu bukan ya. Okay, nice try. Please, Team B, give your assessment. Are you done with the peer assessment?
Yes.
Oh, Alfan done. Davin, are you done with the peer assessment? Alfan, Alan, right? Yes. Really? Alan kan, bener kan? Kok saya ragu ya? Alfan ya? Alan kan?
Eri.
I know Eri. Ini sudah setting ya? Udah mulai ganti settingnya. Okay, so you are done with the pre-assessment. Okay, so if you are done with that, then now let's invite the yes.
Kode aku nasi lah. Ini
Loh.
kode kelasnya apa?
Kode kelas, right? Itu ganti ini ya, ganti.
Kemarin nggak bisa dia ya.
Kode kelasnya di mana, Fadil? Oh, okay, wait. Nih, this one. EC4. M, right? Okay, nice. All right. Okay, so
Bisa dia.
wait.
Udah bisa. Masuk.
Okay, if you are finished with your peer assessment now, it's time for you, I guess, to present your best performance. So, Alfat, please take your positions. The floor is yours. Nice.
It's
Waktu
mine
dan
now.
tempat
Let's
dipersilakan. Oke.
get out. All right, everybody.
Oke.
Okay. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I have your attention, please. Okay. I would like to welcome you all to today's meeting. I am Miftah Alfat as a project director, and my lead engineer, Mr. Alan, and his team, actually, Mr. Davin. Mr. Fadil as an infrastructure expert, and Mr. Randy as a project manager, and Mr. Dede Herman as financial controller. Okay. Before we begin, I would like to briefly introduce our agenda and objective. Okay. The objective of today's meeting is to discuss about the current dashboard issues. Okay. One. Dashboard issues. Okay. And the second one is about the infrastructure solution.
Oke, infrastructure.
Solution. Okay. And the third one is the budget. 3. Budget. And the last one is about the timeline. Timeline. Okay. To start, let's hear from Mr. Alan, who will provide an overview of the current issues we are experiencing with the dashboard, including delays, occasional error, and performance lag, as well as the underlying root causes. Okay, Mr. Alan, would you like? Yes. Good evening.
For having me. I am Alan Setiawan, and as engineer lead, my primary responsibility is to conduct thorough analysis and review of all board issues to ensure we have a clear understanding of their impact and result.
Mr. Alan, please, can you have a louder?
Sure.
Okay.
And next, based on our review, we've identified 3 significant issues.
Okay, then.
First, the dashboard is late.
Next.
Effect user experience. Second, we are seeing significant data delays, making it difficult for user to access real-time information.
And the third one is?
Finally, the service is experiencing frequent downtime, which is a critical problem.
Okay. Service down. Okay. Okay.
Recently, Optim has conducted a preliminary investigation into this bug. We found 2 minor contributing factors. The first is our server are currently at full capacity.
Okay. Wait a second. Server full. Next.
Okay.
It is causing the performance issue. The second is that the server memory isn't sufficient for long-term usage, which likely leads to the frequent service interruption regime.
Is 2 root causes, correct?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Is the issue Suez and the root causes. Okay. Okay. And the next is, okay, thank you, Mr. Alan, for the detailed insight regarding the dashboard issues and root causes, including the server storage and including the server storage limitation and memory constraint impacting long-term performance. To address these challenges, now let's hear from Fadil, who will explain the purpose clustering solution and benefit it can bring to our infrastructure. Okay, Mr. Fadil, can you explain what your solution is?
Okay, as Mr. Alan said, we experience several issues in the dashboard. To address this, we plan to implement a ClickHouse cluster for data storage
Okay.
by distributing the database across multiple nodes. The cluster setup will not only solve
Okay.
the current
Wait a second, Mr. Fadil. I take a note for a second. People node. Okay. Continue, please.
And the cluster setup will not only solve the current storage bottleneck, but also bring significant advantage,
Okay. The advantages. Okay.
scalability,
Wait. Advantages. What is that?
scalability.
Scalability.
Data can be seamlessly distributed across multiple nodes, making it easier to handle growing data volumes without performance degradation.
Okay.
Second, high availability.
Heat availability. Okay, what is it?
With replication, the cluster ensures fault tolerance. If one node fails, queries can still be served by other nodes.
Yes.
Third, improve performance.
Okay. It can improve the
Parallel query execution across nodes reduce response time and support faster analytics on large dataset.
okay.
Next, efficient resource utilization.
Efficient.
Storage and compute loads are balanced across nodes, preventing a single server from becoming a bottleneck.
Yes. Okay.
Next, future-proof architecture.
Okay.
Architecture.
It's advanced.
The future-proof architecture. The cluster design allow assured horizontal scaling, supporting long-term business and data growth. Next, potential challenge.
Okay. This advantages, right?
Next,
Disadvantage. Okay.
potential challenge.
Yes. Is disadvantage.
Well, first, operational complexity.
Okay. Complex, and then
Yes. Cluster management and monitoring are more complex than a single node setup. Second, network overhead.
okay.
Distributed queries can introduce some additional network latency. Okay. Overall, the benefits of moving to the benefit of moving to a ClickHouse cluster outweigh the challenge. This architecture provides a robust, scalable, and efficient solution to ensure the stability and performance of our database system in the long run. Okay.
Okay, that's it, Mr. Fadil. Thank you very much for the clear explanation of clustering. It has some few advantages, like the cluster is scalability and high availability, and it can be it can improve the performance. Okay, and this is efficient and it's also advanced. Okay, and the next I would like to invite Mr. Dede to provide an overview of the project budget allocation. Okay, Mr. Dede, please. How about the budget? Okay. Wait a second. Where's the Dede? Oh, this is okay. Okay, Mr. Dede. How about the budget is? How we can provide this server can handle the cluster?
Okay, Mr. Alfat. In relation to this matter, the available budget is 250 million rupiah,
Okay, the available budget. Okay, is overall.
which consists of purchasing a server for 200 million rupiah.
Okay, wait a second.
Okay.
Terus for what? For server.
Server,
Server. Okay, and the other
and the other is
50 million.
personal and maintenance cost of 50 million rupiah.
Operational and maintenance. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. It's all about the budget, right? Okay, let's move on into the next is. Thank you, Mr. Dede, for clarifying the total budget is to 250 million rupiah, with 200 million allocated to server producement and 15 million for operational maintenance cost. Okay, with this budget established, okay, we got this budget from our client. That's B team and Maruf as the leader of this project. Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Maruf, for the project. Now we can scalable to a bigger project. Okay, next, Randy, please share the proposed schedule. Okay, this is about the timeline. Okay, we can providing the new.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmad. I'm Randy, and I'm the project manager.
Okay, go ahead.
Allow me to present the proposed timeline.
Okay.
Number one, installation today.
Wait a second. I would like to take a server note. What is it? Installation. Okay. Today's for installation. Okay.
Also installing the cluster.
Okay.
Number two,
The second is
adaptation 3 days.
adaptation. 3 days for
Initial testing, the ensure fundamentally and system readiness.
Okay.
Number three, migration,
Okay.
7 days.
7 days for migration.
Transfer of all data and service from the extension server to the new environment.
Okay.
Number five, evaluation.
It's supposed to be number 4.
It's supposed to be 4, yes.
Okay.
Number four, evaluation.
Evaluation. 2 days for
Validation, issue resolution and stabilization and secure.
okay. It's about evaluation. Okay.
Number five, conclusion 1 days.
Okay. It's for conclusion. For
Final review and make sure everything is ready for use.
okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Randy. Thank you for presenting the
forget something, right?
detailed timeline from installation and evaluation and final review. Before finalizing, I would like to check Mr. Alan has any feedback regarding the timelines. Okay, Alan, do you think the purpose 7-day migration period is sufficient?
I believe 7 days timeline is
Okay.
However, if we can get assistance from Fadil, who has specific expertise in this area, we could potentially accelerate the process and complete it within 5 days.
Okay. So you foresee any concern assisting with the migration process? Okay. Mr. Fadil, are you available for
At this moment, I am
Unable.
unable to perform my ability to contribute.
Okay.
As currently have a busy
Schedule.
schedule. Should it become possible for me to assist, I will promptly inform the development team and Mr. Awan.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Fadil. Honesty. As discussed, we can estimate the migration process to take between 5 to 7 days, allowing flexibility depending our team availability. Okay, Randy, please adjust the timeline according not that and estimate many changes if we need it. Okay, wait. Before just take a note, okay? Okay, before we close, I would like to open floor for any further option or suggestion regarding the project optimization, opportunities, or operational consideration. Davin, feel free to share your thought.
I'd like to add some.
Okay.
Before migrating the server,
Mhm.
we could optimize data processing and clean data frequently while in development. It will it will it will it will
Reduce.
reduce risks of memory in the migrated server.
Okay. Okay, that's very good, Mr. Davin. So we have an opinion from Mr. Davin. Well, we are installing the cluster. It's supposed to be, we need to take care of our server first. It's not supposed to be down. Okay. For that, Mr. Dede, would you like to add anything regarding budget adjustment for overtime? Critical operation is that we need to keep our server not to get down. Okay, is there any budget adjustment?
To add my opinion.
Okay.
We need additional budget for overtime.
Okay, additional.
This is a critical factor. When server require intensive 24/7 maintenance to maintain stability.
Okay. Move on.
The additional budget I calculate was 25 million.
Okay. Wait a second. 25. For?
For 10 employees we were part of the operational team.
Oh, for operational team. Okay. Operational. It's supposed to be.
Okay, we work overtime for about 15 days
Okay.
during the development cluster. That's my opinion.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Dede. Okay, before we continue, I would like to ask Mr. Maruf as a project client. We need to add more 25 million rupiah for operational to keep the servers alive while we are installing the cluster. Okay, how about 25 million? Any?
Alright, thank you, Mr. Alfa. I'm Maruf Fakudin. I'm a representative from XYZ Techcorp.
Okay.
I'm here to talk about the budgeting. I think for the budgeting, it's a great idea. But for an extra expense, I think I need to discuss with our budgeting team. Arya, could you give us the idea? I think it's possible because it's still range budget.
Yes.
But if it can be less than the budget, That's better.
Okay. So the 25 million is just for estimation, so it can be less, about 20 millions or less maybe. Okay, and I will to recalculate it with Mr. Dede to allocate the budget, and I will contact you later. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Maruf. Okay. Now I would like to discuss with my team next. Okay. And if there's no additional question or concern, we will proceed to schedule an internal meeting to finalize the timeline and next step. And I will ensure that all updates are communicated promptly to Randy and the rest of the team. Okay?
I would also recommend schedule an internal meeting to review and finalize the timeline progress.
Okay. Great, Mr. Randy. You want to create a schedule for internal meeting, right? It's supposed to be when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I will be free, so I would like to discuss with my team to doing an internal meeting to discuss about new timeline and new budget. Okay, actually. Okay. Thank you very much. Tomorrow is what date is it? Tomorrow? Tanggal?
It's a Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday off? Wait a minute. 25 September.
Oh, 25th. Okay.
25 September. Okay. Okay. In 25 September we are going to doing an internal meeting. So if there anything to consult with me before the 25, you can contact me later. And also for Mr. Maruf and team, you can contact me if there any further information about this is this our solution for apa? For solution about the dashboard issues. Okay, thank you very much. It's my okay. This is the final note, and then is there no more additional question? Okay, Alan. Okay, Mr. Zaki, would you like to ask?
I would like to add my opinion.
Okay, what is it?
Is it you need to add difficulty level above, just like priority.
Okay, thank you. So Alan is Mr. Fadil is already debugging with these issues because the root causes about the server is full. Okay, it's supposed to be full disk is already full and unavailable services. So for further, maybe I would like to add your suggestion. Maybe. Okay, is that all, Mr. Zaki? Okay, thank you very much. I think you did. Any other, Mr. Maruf?
It's not like an opinion. It's not. I hope the project will make a great for both team.
Okay, I hope so.
I hope it will be a great.
So am I.
Nice
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Maruf. And now I would like to close this forum. Thank you all for your participation and valuable input for Mr. Zaki, Mr. Maruf, and my team. Thank you very much. To conclude today's meeting, I will say to wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Give applause, right? Okay. Can I take a picture of you with your masterpiece? Because you are
no
the
way.
chair. Okay.
I cannot read this.
Okay,
thing.
in count of three, I'm gonna take your picture. Do not clean up the whiteboard. Oh, yes, just like that. Three,
Okay.
2, 1, and go. Can you just see me again? The next one is 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, this is the wonderful man, right?
It's an.
Okay, nice. Nice writing. I mean, like.
Lah, tengok dah jalan.
That's enough. I don't find any script from Zaki and Ma'ruf for at the end of the what we call that presentations.
It's not
right?
scripted.
It's not scripted, and this is naturally happen, right?
Mrs. Zaki is naturally happen.
Okay, this is very comprehensive things, by the way. It's really real performance, I guess. But I'm just want to make sure. Do you really understand what is the writing about? Fadil, do you understand what is the writing all about?
Ya, mungkin keseluruhan.
Okay, secara general you understand, right? And also kelompok yang sebelah juga pasti paham ya, karena buktinya tadi ada unscripted feedbacks, right? Or the opinions. That was nice, by the way. Dibagusin, especially again the pronunciations, right?
Yes.
Wait, Randy, did you feel nervous at the time? I mean, like, there are some words that you miss, like we call it, apa namanya? Lumayan panjang sih emang, cuman kayak, oke. Ini ada bagian yang belum terbaca sama ada bagian yang berubah. Like, apa ya tadi itu? Functionality jadinya fundamental, right? So just make it sure that you really, what we call that, function. It's supposed to be like functionality. Yes, please. Aduh, what happened? Are you feeling cold?
Perutnya sakit.
Oh, perutnya sakit. Oke, then.
Pulang lah.
Oke, apalagi ya tadi ya? Ya, pronunciation emang itu PR besar sih, bahkan untuk saya juga ya. Itu memang harus sering dilatih sih. Tahu, cuman kalau nggak sering dilatih juga kadang bingung ya. Data, yes, that's our concern, right?
Aku koreksi.
Okay. Okay, Davin is trying to memorize all the script, right? Even though you almost forget about some part, but yes, that's good actually. Kalau yang panjang mungkin emang ini ya, impossible ya, to memorize. Tapi boleh aja sih sebenarnya kayak di-improve ya. Okay, generally I see any improvement from you all, by the way, and I'm so happy with that, right? From Arya and from others, right? Step by step sih bener ya. Ya jadi bener dong teori yang mengatakan bahwa kayak belajar bahasa tuh butuh proses ya. Kayak ada yang bisa menjamin dalam 1 bulan atau dalam 2 bulan bisa lancar bahasa Inggris tuh mungkin kayaknya 24 jam dia belajar bahasa Inggrisnya apa atau karena ada ramuan tersendiri. Hah? Bahkan ada yang namanya hipnoterapi. Jadi ada sebuah kursusan itu di sebelum les dia di hipnoterapi, di hypnotize. Tapi dia setengah sadar. Jadi di dalam hipnotisnya itu dia sebenarnya tujuannya untuk membangkitkan confidence sih. Itu ada tuh di sana. Di hipnoterapi. Pernah dihipnotis nggak?
Sadar nggak bisa lagi.
Itu sih tergantung amalan ya. Maksudnya in ini Ciputat, do you know it, right? English Center tuh namanya, warna biru. Dia pakai hipnoterapi. Hah? What is that? Hypnotize. Yes. Nice. Oke. Apa lagi ya? Aman, cuman tinggal sering-sering dilatih ya kayak data. Oh, Mas Dede sudah realize ya. Beberapa kosakata yang kita harus concern with. Data as apa lagi tadi ya? Infrastructure. Yes. You almost perfect with that. Yes. Cuman itu doang yang saya tanggap sih. Yang selebihnya oke. Apalagi di akhir-akhir ya. Akhir-akhir itu kayaknya yang di akhir-akhir deh menang. Apa namanya? Yang unscript. Ya infrastructure, right? Apalagi ya? Just infrastructure by the way. Tapi ya primary. Oke. Apakah kita adakan sistem hafalan? Jangan ya. Sambil digunakan aja hafalannya ya. Sering-sering digunakan. Kalau dulu, oke. So, thank you again for your nice performance actually, and I'm again so happy because you have given me like some improvement, even though some person just a little and some person big improvement, right? But that's learning, right? We need a process. Okay. Thank you again. Do you have any questions, by the way? Yes, Eric, Davin. No. Randy. Yes, Eri.
Kalau materi minggu depan apa? Belajar bahasa apa?
Will be led by Fadil, right? Can I just tell it to you later, Randy? Okay. I have some materials, by the way, but I haven't decided which one will be our next. So can I just say it later? I'm gonna inform you, by the way. Eri, no. Devin, no. Randy, Eri, no. Ade, Randy.
Ade boleh.
Karena ini
boleh, Randy boleh. Randa boleh. Iya, aku mau lihat Randa.
Okay then, Randy. Nice question, by the way. Thank you. Is there any other question? No? Thank you again, and that's all, I guess, for now. And at last, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye. Finally.
Thank you.
Thank you, Fadil and others. Nice, chairpersons. Why don't you try to write on the whiteboard?
Jadi kita tuh sebenarnya tim itu udah gak diskus sama sekali.
Yang mana?
Jadi cuma aku ngarahin namanya tuh.
Okay, that was nice. Oh wait, what? They make by themselves?
Yes.
What? The script?
Yes. I just make the red line yesterday. So your part should be like this. And ya baru dibagi ke teman-teman gitu. Jadi biarin mereka improve dengan kata-katanya sendiri.
Oh, I see. You just give the rules, right?
Ya, jadi yang tadi mereka.
Yeah. I see your leadership skills. By the way, you know how to handle your what we call that your members, right? Is it your first time become the leader of a team? Really? But you are some experience before. No. Oh, you just see the person. Oh, you are nice observer. No. Is it observer? Memperhatikan banget berarti kalau orangnya. Okay, nice. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, everyone. Bye.
Ketua kelompok ya. Kerja kelompok ketua.
Kerja kelompok kurang.
Ya kan kau jadi ketua kerja kelompok.
Iya anjir.
Ya makanya.
Maksudnya tapi nggak formal.
Ya kan cuma ada mengarahkannya. Iya, no experience. Thank you.